Today I will introduce you to the application of UV DTF Transfer Film for UV DTF printing. UV DTF Transfer Film has a wide range of applications, mainly used on rigid materials. Acrylic board, PVC board, KT board, steel plate, iron plate, aluminum plate, glass, marble, various packing boxes, advertising material. We have two kinds of UV DTF transfer film. For printers, can print UV adhesive glue or not? Please inform us if your print with UV adhesive glue or not when you send us an inquiry. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.